I welcome today with a spirit of gratitude. I am grateful for the air that is filling my lungs. I am grateful for the heart that pumps blood through my body. I am grateful for the heart to forgive even those who come and never will apologize.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Get Lit with Shay. Y'all, welcome back to another video. We are about to check on the snack machine. Before we get right into this video, we about to go out and check the vending machine, the snack vending machine, to see what snacks need to be filled, see how much we made in the machine, see what we need to stock up. So I'm gonna take some few snacks with me because we're still trying to place a card reader. So I got the card reader, but we got the get the motherboard to put on the machine now. Y'all, we walking into the store.
We number 10.
We in the grocery gas station. Well, it's a grocery store. So we about to grab some more snacks. Let's see, y'all.
I don't like them, blood. I just don't. I just phony, fake motherfuckers.
Let's go in, check on this machine. All right, we just made it to the location. Here, y'all, I am looking at the machine, checking the machine out. It's like, what happened to all the motherfucking snacks? Like, they ate all the snacks, y'all. Like, okay, right here, I am opening the machine up. Look at all these damn empty slots. Like, wow, these some hungry motherfuckers. These some hungry bitches. So, the tuna didn't sold out, so that didn't go too well for me. Okay, but, yeah, we're about to fill this machine up again. There was a lot of slots. We're gonna put new products in here. But yeah, I'm about to take care of this, and we'll be right back, y'all. We got the new speeders, so we're gonna try these out. Then we're gonna put some speeders in here. Supposed to start from the back, but y'all, we got some Pop-Tarts here. We're gonna try some Pop-Tarts out, 2 different flavors. Okay, I'm right here trying to put them damn Pop-Tarts in this goddamn slot, and it's cold. Like, okay, so we are putting some more Pop-Tarts there for the hungry ass motherfuckers. So we're gonna try some Pop-Tarts out. I never tried these in my machine, but we got some honey buns there. We got that white ice and honey bun. These some big ass motherfuckers. Like, these some big ass motherfucking honey buns, y'all. But anyways, I hope they enjoy these honey buns, cause but yeah, we is not about to fill them up all the way, cause these are Patriots motherfucking donuts, like honey buns, and they can expire very quick, so they better eat these motherfuckers up. So here I am wiping the machine down, making sure it's good and sanitized. At this point, we had went out of motherfucking snacks. They like, I did not know that I was gonna be this damn fucking low, y'all. So we spraying it down, sanitizing again. So we're gonna have to come back at this location. Look, I still got a lot of slots need to be filled. They just gonna have to tough it out, and I gotta make it do what it do, baby. But anyways, we spraying the glass down because they had their fingerprints all on my damn machine. So, okay, yeah, we still wiping that mug down. But yeah, we locking it back. good to go for now. I got a couple slots to come back and fill. I just fill what I can because ain't no card reader on here yet. As y'all see, the card reader help with tracking purposes of what snacks been sold, what snacks is still in the machine. So we'll get there, y'all. So we just got a couple snacks for them for now, but we'll be back. All right, y'all. We are back at the location once again. We are unlocking this damn machine. I got a lot of snacks, chips here. I got some Lay's potato chips. I got all different variety chips here. So now we are putting some, I think, Lay's potato chips in this slot, I believe. Yeah, Lay's potato chips. Okay. So we putting a few bags up in there. So back here we are starting from the back. You always want to start from the back of the machine. We got that honey spicy, sweet and spicy honey, honey, what we call it. I don't eat these motherfuckers. Okay, we got some Chester's hot flies. So these are very popular at, well, some location. I know it did pretty good in my machine. So we're going to give it a go, give it another test. So we are starting from the back. Okay. So once y'all get y'all machine, you want to, get your snacks and always start from the back. When we stocking or we filling your vending machine. Okay. So we got all different types of chips here. We got different varieties of hot chips. Okay. We got the barbecue Lay's potato chips. So I'm just going through the bag. See what all I got up in here and see what I can put in this damn machine. Okay. We got the waffles here. However you pronounce it. I don't care how I pronounce it. Y'all please don't come for me in the comments. Okay, we got the white cheddar popcorn. Ooh, I love these. Nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. These are so good, y'all. Y'all definitely got to try them white popcorn. But anyway, we feeling some Lay's potato chips here, which is the barbecue flavor. So yeah. So if y'all like barbecue Lay's potato chips, just let me know in the comments. What is y'all favorite snack? What is y'all favorite snack? So drop it in the comment. We got that hot Cheeto puff. This is like a new look, but pretty much it's the same taste. So pretty much it still tastes the same. I don't know why they just coming up. Why they just won't leave the same bag as it is. Okay. But anyways, we trying to get these damn nerds clusters. Like they don't even want to fit in the damn codes. Like we got the pink bag, we got the blue bag. So we trying to make sure they fit in this slot, because I was having a hard time trying to figure out if they gonna fit in the slot. Okay, I'm still digging in the damn bag, trying to fill this whole machine up. So we still filling the nerd clusters. So we are testing the nerd clusters out in my machine. We got that Fruity Pebble Treat cereal bar. So I did have bought a box to test it out in my machine. So I just got a small quantity of these because I ain't want to buy a lot of these. And I don't want to be wasting my money just buying this shit. If this shit don't sell the first or the second round, I'm not buying this shit no more. But anyways, we are still stocking the machine up. Okay. We got these Mentos. So I got 4 Mentos, yes. And y'all probably ask, why you ain't buying more? Motherfucking bitches. I'm just testing the Mentos out in my machine before I start buying a whole lot. Who want to waste money on buying a lot of goddamn snacks that ain't gonna sell? So, we'll put more candy in here. We'll try out the Mama Bomb, whatever you call them. They be coming out with all kinds of different candy. I think that's like a throwback old school candy or something, I guess. So we got these other cereal bars, little snacks for, for people that eat breakfast. They can just grab one of these. We got them trolls over there on the side. The dry ass Natural Valley. I don't know who gonna eat these, but a lot of people say they love them. So, but I am gonna try them out in my machine. So they good, but they dry as fuck. You got to really just have something to drink to swallow this shit down. Okay. But people, like I said, people love them. But they dry as fuck. I'm just going through my product, All right, now, we still loading up. We got some Reese's cup. Yep, one of them dropped. Yeah, they pretty much love these. Even the Crunch Bar, the Hershey. So I'm kind of gonna mix it up a little bit because we are running out of room. So, we got the machine fully stocked. Everything is fully stocked back up again. Fruity Pepper, Natural Game. We got some Nerds, Trolls. These are the new chips, but they new look, same taste, sweet and honey, spicy. Lay's potato chip. We got the Chester. So we got some few new products. We got the Skittles. Got the Oreos, Nutty Buddy. So we are fully stocked. All right, y'all. We are, look at that stack of cash, y'all. Woo! Look all that. Yes, big money grip. Yes. All of this came out the snack machine. This is off on one snack machine. I'm spraying it down. Spraying that bad boy down again, once again.
When you get to your feet.
Alright, y'all, we wiping the machine down once again. They think about me putting a drink machine in here. It's the man's the owner. Granddad was talking to me. He said he was gonna talk to his grandson about it. But it's fully stocked. So we are good to go. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all later. See y'all. Peace.